everyone, I'm Mrinal and welcome to my channel. Here I make videos about books, reading, writing and journaling. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have fun learning with me. Have you ever thought about starting a journal? If yes, then were you just about to begin but you did not know what to write or where to start from? If such was the case, then you're in the right place. Because today I'm going to be talking about how exactly can you maintain a journal in a simple and an efficient manner. Before we begin, there are 3 important rules that you need to keep in your mind before starting a journal. Number 1. It is not necessary that you sit and write in your journal every single day. Just once or twice in a week is enough. But if you want to maintain a journal on a daily basis, it is necessary that you have a fixed time every day when you write a journal. It could be a few minutes before you retire to bed or a few minutes after you've just woken up. Any time which is convenient to you. Number 2. Always maintain a separate notebook for your journal. Now you might say it's quite obvious that since you're starting a journal, you might have already taken out a separate notebook for your journaling. But some of us have this habit on writing on free pages and then misplacing them. So it's always better to maintain a separate book for your journaling and do not mix it with your planner or any other book that you need on a daily basis. Number 3 and the most important one. No matter what you read on the internet or no matter what anybody ever tells you, in the end of the day, it is your journal. You decide what you write in it. You can either make it really cute and artsy or you can make it simple and subtle. Whatever it is, but come up with a system that is simple and efficient for you to follow. Now we come to the main question. What exactly do I write in my journal? Well, here's a list of things that you can adorn your journal with. Start writing in your journal with positive affirmations. What's better than writing a few words that can speak wonders? They can be as simple as I can do it, I will try my best, I love myself. Or you can just express your gratitude towards little things. You can write, I'm grateful for today. I'm thankful for the food, clothes and shelter that I have. You can write about your goals and your aspirations. They can be both short-term and long-term. An example of a short-term goal would be, I want to develop this habit of getting up early each morning. Now, as simple as it sounds, we all know how difficult it is to get up early in the morning each day, right? So we can make a chart of all the days of the month and cancel out every day we were successful in getting up early in the morning. In that way, we can also have a checkup on how much are we actually working towards achieving our goal. For a long-term goal or an aspiration, you can write about how you are studying or working hard for getting in university or college of your choice. For suppose you want to be a lawyer, so you can write about all the steps you think are necessary for you to become a lawyer, and each time you complete a step, believe me, the happiness and motivation you're gonna get while cancelling out that particular step is gonna be immaculate. Also, when you write about your goals and aspirations, it's like the entire universe comes together to make it happen to you, provided that you also take the necessary steps. You can utilize your journal to compartmentalize your thoughts. As humans, we go through a lot of feelings and emotions, but it's important for us to express them in order to actually understand and keep a check on ourselves and what is actually going on in our mind. You can write about what is making you happy or what is making you sad or angry and specify the thing which is making you feel so. The second you write about what is actually making you feel that way, all those feelings are gonna ebb away and your mind's gonna be clear and you can now finally think rationally for a solution to your problem. Lastly, the easiest way with which you can fill your journal is by sticking pictures and stickers. You can stick pictures and stickers of you on a trip, with your family, with your friends, with your pets. You can also stick pictures which are stills from your favorite movie, your favorite show. You can write lines from any song or any book that you like. You can literally write and stick pictures about everything that inspires you, which motivates you, which helps you express yourself. You can literally treat a journal like your best friend. Just do anything you want. It can be as crazy as you like. This was about how you can maintain a journal in a simple and an efficient manner. There's going to be plenty of things, I'm sure, which I haven't talked about in this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you do anything differently than what I said today. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it informative. Thank you for watching. Bye.